What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get CapCut Pro for free without any software. But first, please throw me a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Alright, so you've always wanted to try out all the different features that Pro users get, right? So what is included on Pro? First off, you get a lot of free paid assets. You get to unlock and edit all your templates, and you could use it across all types of devices, and you get 1 terabyte of cloud storage and AI credits. Now, on top of that, a lot of features nowadays are premium. So as you can see, even something as simple as normalize loudness is Pro. All of these, reduce noise when you go onto videos, right? All of these stabilize and enhance, all of these features are paid. So how do you get it for free? First thing is you just want to go back to the main page here. And as you can see here, I'm Pro. And I'm Pro for a while. And that's because I, just did this trick. Now, it's very simple. All you got to do is click invite friends and then copy the invite link. Now, what happens after you do this? Well, you're going to send this link off to a friend and have them use it. And believe it or not, there is no credit card or renewals necessary. All they need to do is they need to just install and launch CapCut. That's it. All they got to do is open up your link, download CapCut, and install it. Nothing more, nothing less. You'll get 7 days free Pro, and you can use each link up to 10 times, meaning you can get over 2 months of free Pro with just one link. Now, if you run out, you can always just make a new CapCut account again and just do the link once again on a new account. It's not that hard. It takes you about 5 minutes to do this, and it's very, very simple to do. If this video helped you out, please throw me a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. I'll be sure to help you out.